Hi, welcome to Master V and Sons channel. It's been a long time. Today is really good and big news. We've actually reached 1,000 subscribers. We even want to thank a gentleman by the name of Pros Everyday YouTuber. Has a YouTube channel that's starting up and also has a gaming channel. He actually helped us reach 1,000 subscribers, so we want to say thank you so much. On today's episode, we're going to be talking about other car parts that we can add to Volkswagen, let's say. Today we're going to be talking about the CarPlay CarLink and how this works. You guys ready? Let's do it. So CarLink is going to be used for iPhone specifically. So this device. I have an iPhone X, so it works with that. It works with any device that has pretty much Bluetooth and CarPlay abilities. All you gotta do with a car that has CarPlay features but not wireless CarPlay features is plug this into the USB port where you could use CarPlay regularly with a wire. The reason I like this device a lot more is because in some cases with these wires, if you ever hit a bump or something, your phone can easily just fly off. And that could be very annoying, especially when you have to have Google Maps and you might miss a turn. But it's really easy to install. And let's get to that started. So, what we're going to start off with is this little USB port. We're going to plug it into my USB port, which, by the way, I drive a Tiguan 2020. So, right over there. Next, we're going to start off with my settings. So, we're going to go to Bluetooth. We're also going to start my car. There we go. We're gonna start looking for it. I've already connected to it, but it's called Volkswagen 9A1A. We're gonna connect to it. What that's gonna do on my system is, let's say I have radio over here, and I press the car up.
Not so much. But then I got a
It's gonna upload this right here. We're gonna click my iPhone. In a bit, they should be able to connect together. So now that it says connected on my iPhone over here, give it a few seconds, and this should turn on onto the main display. A few more seconds. There we go. Apple CarPlay. Bam! And that's it. What we have over here that CarPlay allows us to do is things like phone call, Apple Music, the Volkswagen, podcast. I personally like YouTube Music, and I personally like Google Maps. You can have the satellite version with Google Maps. You can even change it around a little bit. Do without the satellite map, do with the satellite map, have whatever colors you want. On top of that, if you're going to use Google Maps, you can also choose a location to go to. So let's say I want to go to Chick-fil-A. My phone will search it up. I will click directions. On my display it says, do I want to start? And it'll literally show us exactly where to go instantly. While on your phone it shows you the instructions of where to go. Also, other features you can do is the YouTube Music app. And how that works. You have a song downloaded on your phone, or maybe even on your CarPlay, which through Bluetooth, we can only play this video for 10 seconds, but if I go to my YouTube, and I decide to check out what I'm playing, they match up instantly. So this has so many benefits. Phone calls, you have a whole keypad, contacts, whoever you want to call, and all that good stuff, as well as a way to keep up with your voicemail app that I hid from you guys with your voicemail app and look up through your contacts. This has many great features, and I suggest for any person that has an iPhone to really invest their time into it. I have personally bought this from Amazon. This company is called CarLin KIT, so CarLink Kit. And pretty much we'll display it in the below, but I will be honest, you guys will love this, and I know you guys will enjoy it because I've enjoyed it a lot myself too. Now, as we always say, again, thank you guys so much for helping us reach 1,000. That's a really big moment for this YouTube channel. If you guys have any other car ideas that we should maybe do for our cars, or any options that you guys are interested in, you guys want us to explain on, we could totally be more happy to do that. On top of that, with all that said, if you guys can just drop a like and subscribe, our channel will just keep growing and our videos will keep popping out and being amazing videos. Thank you so much again, guys, and you guys have a great night.